So now we are going to see the form negative. So how to write the complement, the indirect complement pronoun in the negative form. So this is similar to the previous case, right? Me telephone, and we have na before and pa after. Instead of writing na and pa just before and after the verb, we include me also inside. The next one is the form interrogative, to ask a question. Est-ce qu'elle vous téléphone? So it's simple, it's just a normal question in the est que form. There is no difference. Vous téléphone tel, it is the inverted form. So it is same, there is not a big difference. So I just wanted to show you that it is the same. Now next one, this is another special case. Quand le verbe n'exprime pas, when the verb does not express une idée d'exchange ou de communication. So when this verb, the verb does not show an exchange or communication. But see, for example, tu penses à Marie? Tu penses à Marie? So in this case, this sentence means you think about Marie, but it is not any form of exchange or communication, right? It is just an action. So in that case, we do not use the complement, the pronoun. It is je pense à elle. Je pense à elle. So it's just that the noun is replaced by elle. So in this case, we do not use the pronoun for the indirect complement. Quand le verbe n'exprime pas une idée d'échange ou de communication. So when the verb does not express this. Now I am going to show you another case. When the verb explains, so when the noun is the name of a place. Okay? For example, à son travail. À son travail. So in this case, it is the name of the place. It is the name of the place. Let us keep. Il pense à son travail. Now, here we have the noun preceded by the preposition à. So, since this is the name of a place, the pronoun we use is y. Il y pense. So, this is because it is the name of a place. So this is an exception. So now we know how to write the pronoun for the direct and indirect complement, and we also know what pronoun to fill in when it is the name of a place. Now we will do some exercises to practice these.